6 key instructions you must follow while doing lip sync in animation. Number 1. Shift your audio one frame ahead. Once you see your audio in the time slider, just right click, go to audio, click on the box, right side, audio attributes offset. Just type 1 and the audio will offset. Second, create the shapes 2 frames before the sound. Suppose the sound here is showing on 16th, then your shape of the mouth should actually appear 2 frames before, not on the frame of the sound. Third is have a gap of 2 frames between two shapes while doing the lip sync. That means suppose if you have I, if you are speaking I, then A should come here and E should come after 2 frames. There should be a gap of 2 frames between two shapes. Fourth is hold MBP poses. This is a sound and in between there is M. So M should have a hold of 1 frame. That means I will copy the same key here. Here I will have a hold of M for 1 frame. Fifth is cushion when the sound stretches beyond 2 frames. Suppose you are having the transition between 18 and 20. If the sound is going beyond this, then you must add a cushion like this, add 1 frame and then shift this. So the same 2 frames will turn into 4 frames. And the last but not the least, make sure that these two corners of your lip sync are actually in arc in whatever poses you are creating. E and O, there is a major shift. So this should not happen. You should have in between 1 frames and it should go in a flow. It should not happen like corners are here and in the next frame immediately they are coming so narrow down. Then it will look like a jerk. If you like the video, share it with your friends and follow me for more such videos.